Galesburg, Illinois, population 33,000, is a city located in western Illinois. Many rail fans know about Galesburg primarily because of the Railroad Days Festival that takes place here every summer. For the train watcher, though, there's much more to Galesburg than just railroad days. With lines branching out of town in 7 directions, Galesburg is a very busy railroad hotspot. Let's pay a visit to this interesting railroad town, as well as sample a little action on the 7 lines running into it. Galesburg is entirely served by lines of the Burlington Northern and Santa Fe Railway, which was the result of the 1995 merger of the Burlington Northern and the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe.